Alright, the next one is your mitre line, another example. Okay, we're going to start with these two views. We're given the same thing, your front and your side views. We have line 1, 2, okay? Our job is the same thing. We have to construct the horizontal or top view of the line. So we're going to begin just like we did in the example 1. We got to find the projection, okay? So the very first one we're going to do is we're going to find our projection, which is your extension lines. Draw an extension line is very easy, end to end, okay? End to end. Use your ruler, please. Then we're going to draw all 4 lines, yeah, perpendicular, somewhere in between the two views. Do the same thing, yeah, draw all the way. Another 4 lines, second line, which is perpendicular to the first one. We're going to add our mitre line, which got to be 45 degree. So where's my pencil? I'm going to draw this here again. That's got to be 45 degree, please. Yes. Yep. Then we're going to start our projection, yeah, onto the horizontal view, which is your top view is right here somewhere. So go straight, be perpendicular, cross it to your mitre. Your first end, this is your second end. The first example, your line, the given lines were straight, okay? This one has an angle, see? Kind of like a slope is here. There's another slope here, so therefore we have to draw each end, so first end and second end. So I have 2 lines here. They both got to be perpendicular, right, to the 4 lines. And of course, got to cross. Cross mean, where is my thing? Cross here, okay? So we call this one intersection. Yeah. Alright, then we draw again on the top horizontal view. Draw, okay, another perpendicular line crossing the 4 line here, because I want to go and get this projection. Yeah, so you have to draw all the way to reach to these ends here. Yeah, perpendicular, so that's your projection onto the top view. Draw it perpendicularly, let it cross, okay? Because you have 2 points and it isn't perpendicular. This has a slope right here, see? Slanted. So my first line and my second line. Here we're giving 1 to this end and 2 to that end, okay? So therefore the first end is here. And this is a shorter distance, of course. In this case it's 2. So now I've got everything. So we're going to connect from point 1 to point 2. So now I have my projected line, okay, on the top view. My front, my side, and then my top view, okay? And after that, we can erase our drawing lines, yeah? Or extension lines got to go away. We have 4 lines here. So we know where the boxes, your glass boxes, your front, your side, and your top.